Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you're looking for the River Island best discount promo code, then this video is for you. So in 2025 you can actually be updated with River Island for their current running campaigns or discounts or the promotional campaigns that you can see right now. They are running up to 50% off on their products. So there is a sale here, so you can shop for women, shop men's, shop for girls, and shop for boys. Here you can find different products that are currently on sale. Now some third-party website can also help you to get or collect some exciting deals and discounts from one page. Now the first one is glamourmagazine.co.uk/discount codes/River Island, and from here you can find it lots of discount codes are available here. So you have to do is you can find it is verified in past 24 hours. So you have to do is simply click on show discount code. So if there's any discount codes available, then you can find it, or if not, then you can find it has just redirect you to that page where you can find the off here that it is actually right now. You can see the discount here that is right now on discount, and the off here you can see. Now the third website is simplycourse.com, and from here you can also find some top pick and best verified and with the most success rate coupon codes. So you can go to the simplycourse.com/store/river island and .com and hyphen this US. So from here you can find this code. So simply click on view code. You can get the discount this description about this code here. Now this is the copy button. Simply click on copy to copy this entire code, and you can use it whenever you are going to shop anything from this River Island. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful, and try one by one and see which one actually works for you. Thanks for watching. Till next time.